Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check battery health on any Android. Now, unfortunately, there are some Android that actually do have the ability of showing you to the battery health within your settings. Sometimes if you go to about section, phone or battery, any information, sometimes you can see your battery health, but unfortunately, lot of phones like this one is not your battery health. This is just the percentage of your health. So the best way to do this is on any Android phone is to make your way to the Play Store, and you can go into the search bar and type in battery health, and you want to download any of these battery health apps that are out there. So I'm going for this AccuBattery. You just have to tap on this install, but you can use any of these. It doesn't really matter, they all kind of do the same things. So once you go ahead and install this specific application or any other one, you want to go ahead and tap on this open, and now you just have to finish these kind of things. And now it's going to say this is that it's just going to ask some different informations for you, and at that point, once you are ready and once it goes through, it can go ahead and tell you exactly what your battery health is after you are using this application for a little while. So you can see at the bottom there is little health indicators. So right here it's battery health, estimated capacity and design capacity. So for this device specifically, I just install it. I haven't on my other ones for a little while, but they are not charged. But in this specific case, after you are using your phone for about a day, it's going to be able to estimate and give you a good estimation of your battery health on your Android phone. So all you have to do is just use your Android for a little bit of time and let it kind of just run in the background to kind of see, estimate how your battery health is. And after a little while, you can open up the app back, and you should be able to at some point see your battery health and the health of your battery overall. So that's pretty much how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.